Hello and welcome to the New Haven Museum. My name is Jason Bischoff-Wurstle, curator of the exhibit Factory. Factory tells the post-industrial underground history of the New Haven Clock Company. The colorful history of this building was often hidden in plain view. Kurtz 2 was the largest and most elaborate LGBTQ club in Connecticut in 1990. There was something for everyone in a very sleek, Jetsons-esque environment. Kurtz was the biggest LGBTQ club in the state after the Copacabana on East Street, and the two clubs briefly warred for supremacy. Kurtz won. J.P. Monroe was a gossip columnist for the Metro Line, an LGBTQ-oriented free newspaper published in Hartford. He was also known as Candy Monroe, a renowned drag queen performer and lead MC at Kurtz 2.
That was what I think one of the big appeals of Kurtz was. This was one of the few bars where if you were a drag queen or you were a transgendered person, where you could actually go and there was really no judgment.
In a pre-internet time, the Metro Line was the primary conduit for information and gossip connecting the LGBTQ community in Connecticut. Every night, there was something happening throughout the region. Club goers would rack up miles driving and socializing across the state, with the old clock factory being briefly the premier spot to be and be seen. Known as a, quote, discreet location that was easy to get to, complete with VIP parking and hot tubs in the interior courtyard, Kurtz anchored a scene that was just as large as today, but nowhere near as commonly known in mainstream.
I had a great rapport with my audience. There were people who loved me, and there were people who loved to hate me, and then there were people who just hated me.
Unless one were progressive, being gay was still barely spoken about in the 1990s in public outside of safe harbors in New Haven like the Clock Factory.